Okay, Fred, so what this is it's a series of old belt pulleys. There's grooves cut in each one of them. There's two different grooves, a thin one and a thick one. And I built this primarily for straightening this material, because if it had a little hiccup or a bow in it, as this does by a few thousandths of an inch right here, I could loosen this. This goes opposite. It's tighter when you loosen it. Lock it down again, and then roll that lump out just in that area. Then back off again, tighten to take the pressure off. Go and look for another lump, if there is another lump. Well, there's a slight one right here coming up. I ran out. I guess I could move these pulleys up. Oops. Loosening is tightening the pulley. Lock it down, and then go in that area there to straighten it. Now, in terms of making an actual curved piece of material, I don't know. Maybe. Let's just see what happens. I'm going to loosen this. I'm going to give it a lot of pressure here. I'm not going to lock it yet. Well, it comes out of the grooves. But then too, here, you should know, this is the thinnest material. This is like the, I think, 20 thousandths of an inch material. We also have, where's the thicker stuff? Is it all the way over there?
There on the mill.
Here, let's bring it over here. Well, this stuff right here. This is a sample of the stuff that we rolled for another customer years ago. This is the last of the material I have in stock. Still German silver, considerably thicker. As a matter of fact, this is dang near, I measured it earlier, it's like 50 thousandths of an inch. It makes a much more rigid product. And if it was rolled through the die several times, we can get this consistency out of it. The thin stuff, bending it diagonally to curve it, might be more difficult. We might want to just go with thicker material so that you'll have the ability to do your curving. Now, my next door neighbor has a really interesting thing he made for curving metal sideways. It basically consists of a curved piece of plywood, male, a curved piece of plywood, female, sandwiched to hold this captive, and he literally hydraulically presses one against the other. I really think that that is the way to do it. We could take a picture of that and show you his setup. I think we will. But right now we're going to send you samples of the thin, the thick, and a couple of other things in between, and send you this a tool to play with. And I think that's what we're going to do. So let's get to shipping. Thank you.